Hi and welcome back. Starting a career as a fresher can feel like an uphill battle. With most job postings requiring some level of experience, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Freshers often face stiff competition with hundreds of applications pouring in for entry-level roles. Employers prioritize skills and accomplishments which can be challenging to demonstrate without prior work experience. But don't worry. In today's video, I'll share proven tips to create a standout CV as a fresher, helping you land those all-important interview calls. If you're new, I'm Ashika, and I talk about moving across the world to work or study. And with that, let's dive in. Now, the first thing you should remember is to keep it simple and clear. Let's break down how to craft a CV that gets noticed. Remember to keep it simple and clear. Use a clean, professional layout and avoid any unnecessary graphics or fancy fonts. Write a strong, objective statement. Now, tailor this for the role that you're applying for. Highlight your career goals and how you aim to contribute to the company. You can use this format. A motivated marketing graduate with excellent communication skills seeking to contribute to the company's name's growth while developing my professional expertise. Next, focus on your education. As a fresher, your educational background is your strength, so highlight key achievements, coursework, or projects all related to the job. Next, highlight your skills. Include both hard and soft skills. Examples include proficiency in tools like Excel or Python and soft skills like teamwork or problem solving. It's important you do this step carefully because this is what will determine whether your CV gets shortlisted or not. If the skills you mention are also the skills that the recruiter is looking for, the ATS will pick up your CV. One easy way to do this is to check the skills mentioned in the job description, and if those are the skills you possess, add them back to your CV. Next, showcase internships or volunteering. Even unpaid experiences count. They show initiative and they give you something concrete to discuss in interviews. When it comes to certifications and training, if you've done any courses or workshops, list them here. They demonstrate a willingness to learn. Remember to use action verbs. Start the bullet points with action words like developed, led, or organized to make your CV more dynamic. And remember to customize it for every job. Tailor your CV to fit the requirements for specific jobs. Employers appreciate the personalization. Here's a simple, effective CV format for freshers. Start off with your name. Next, add your contact information, your email, your phone number, and your LinkedIn ID. After this, you'd need to add an objective statement, which is a concise, tailored paragraph about your career goals and what you can offer the company. If you aren't sure what to write, ask ChatGPT to help. You can use this command. Write an objective statement for the job and mention the job here. For someone with no job experience or work experience and fresh out of university. Once you get ChatGPT's response, remember to personalize it to you. Next, you'll want to list your education. Include your degree name, the institution name, and the year of your graduation. You should also add your key achievements, which is scholarships, academic honors, and relevant coursework. Also mention skills which are transferable skills. So if you've picked up any skills while doing paid or unpaid work, or just as you go about your life, remember to mention them and how they can be transferred. Technical skills like MS Office or programming or languages, design tools should be mentioned. Soft skills like leadership, time management, and communication. Now, if you need help here too, ask ChatGPT for help. And you can use this command. Write 3 soft skills that can be of use for the role and mention the role for someone with no work experience and fresh out of university. Next, mention any internship or volunteer work that you've done and the organization name with dates. Remember to use bullet points describing responsibilities and accomplishments and preferably something that can be measured. Now, when it comes to certifications, this section is very important. If you don't have any work experience, the best thing you can do is get some certifications done. And I say this for 2 reasons. One is so that it can help you at whatever job that you plan on doing. And the second is because it helps you with ATS. Because the program will look for keywords, right? And if you've done a relevant course, sharing the details of that course will help you mention some of the keywords that are needed for ATS to pick up the resume. So if there's an overlap between the keywords that ATS is looking for and the details that you've mentioned from your certification, you stand a better chance of your CV getting shortlisted. I really hope that made sense. You can write your certification name followed by the platform or institution and the year you completed it. Next, write your interests, and this is optional. Ideally, mention hobbies that align with the role or demonstrate desirable traits. Don't write something completely irrelevant. And of course, you can add references and mention that they're available on request. Remember, if you feel your CV feels too basic, write out the point in your own style and then copy and paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to make this point sound more professional. You can use this prompt. Rewrite the statement to make it sound more compelling while applying for the role of and mention the role here. Now, here are some excellent tools that can make CV building a lot easier for freshers. There's Canva that offers customizable CV templates with professional designs. There's Zeti, which provides step-by-step guidance and CV templates tailored to industries. There's Novo Resume, which creates ATS-friendly resumes with clean layouts. Indeed Resume Builder, which is perfect for uploading directly to job portals. There's Grammarly, which helps you ensure your CV is free of grammatical errors. Creating a CV as a fresher might feel intimidating, but with the right approach and tools, it's entirely possible to stand out. Focus on showcasing your education, your skills, and your potential through a clean and tailored CV. Don't forget to customize your applications for each job and keep learning new skills to stay competitive. Remember not to opt for a CV format that is too fancy, because ATS will outrightly reject it. It needs to be a simple format so the ATS can actually read the CV. Let me know if you found this video helpful and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.